Hi, I'm Dhruv Vinay Raj of CBSE Grade 10 studying in GoldenBee Global of Bannerghatta campus. 12th February marks a golden day in history and science when the birth of a scientific visionary graced the earth. Evolution often brings in mind the great Charles Darwin, whose theory of natural selection clashed with the orthodox beliefs of his time and gave rise to a new theory explaining our very own existence. In order to continue this noble practice of contradicting scientific institutions and nurturing scientific thinking and perpetual curiosity, Darwin Day is celebrated annually on 12th February since 1995. Darwinists enthusiastically celebrate this day, and the United Nations and its members see this as an opportunity to connect all nations through the sacred language of science. Darwin Day acts on the principles of hunger for truth and scientific thinking embodied in the great Charles Darwin himself. Celebrations include evolutionary exhibitions and reading The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. Let us all cherish the spirit of this festival and let our scientific thinking raise to think of the most basic concepts of life. In the end, it is indeed the survival of the fittest that influences all our thoughts and beliefs. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, Beehive of Learning.